Hi there. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to process your image in Photoshop. So we have the image in Photoshop now. The first thing we need to do is to, the layer is already unlocked. I will unlock this one as well. And then if it's locked, you need to unlock it. And then go to Image, Mode, and Grayscale. Okay, and this will take out the color of your image. And then we need to go to the adjustment panel. So it's Image, Adjustment, and Levels. And we get this pop-up menu here, panel. And to increase the level of white, we need to use the right triangle. So here, basically, we need as much white and as much black as possible and try to exclude the grays. So with the right-hand side triangle, we will increase the white. We can have more white. And with the left triangle, we can increase the black. So we can play around with this until we're happy with the image, which I think this one is quite good. And then, okay. And then we need to flatten the image. So right-click on the layer and flatten image. And what is left to do now is to save it as a TIFF. So we're going to File, Save As, and we choose somewhere here, there, the last one, TIFF. And call it Texture. And I've never really changed anything in here. Okay, and that's it really. Our image is ready to be processed in Adobe Illustrator.